Can you show how I'd find this to dropship? Okay, yeah, I can show you how to do this. So particularly you want to download this one. This might be a fully custom product. So there might be a different route. But typically what you would do is you download a Chrome extension called Search Image by AliExpress. Bro, this proxy, I need to change it so badly. It's so bad. Okay, so what you would do, the easiest way to do this, because AliExpress has 1,000,001 products. You wouldn't necessarily buy this long term from AliExpress, but AliExpress has 1,000,000 different products. Bro, this product's actually cool as fuck. I don't even know if it's available. I don't even know if it is. Basically, AliExpress search by image. It's the one that has 200,000 downloads, okay? Basically, you would right click on it, search goods on AliExpress by this image once you've downloaded the Chrome extension that's also not loading. That's basically what you would do, okay? Once you've done that, you would find it on AliExpress, or you wouldn't find it on AliExpress. If you find it on AliExpress, then you've got suppliers already. If you're unable to find it on AliExpress, you can find a private supplier potentially using Facebook group chats or Upwork. Oh no, they do have it. Oh. Is it really that big? Like, are they just like really deceptive about the size? Because that looks massive. Oh no, it is massive. Okay, so I would say like contact maybe this supplier right here and say like double check the dimensions and stuff like this. I'd even say with this kind of product, there's different ways to do it, but like this is a super cool. Bro, look at that. That looks sick. Probably doesn't look that good in person, but like that's kind of shit like I actually like. Okay. Does that make sense? Super quick interruption. After you finish watching this video right here, go check out the video that's the top link in the description where I detail exactly how I made over £200,000 from Etsy dropshipping in just 3 months. Go check it out, but watch this video first.